Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the 4K tow package. Taking a look back here, we got your tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, with some nice black trim along this vehicle, black rims. We do get blind spot detection with this vehicle. And moving to the front here, we got no recovery hooks, we got a license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, you got some storage here as well. We got under seat storage, pretty handy as well, with carpeted interior, USB-Cs, little hook, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat as well as a manual passenger seat. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, gas cap, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 40 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, with your drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume, mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we got a digital speedometer, we got my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. Looking at our drive modes now, we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, with eco and slippery. To my right here, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction with tons of storage. You got a nice little phone slot there as well. Got your center console with tons of storage. Your engine starts up with the 12 volt and some outlets. You have your volume, playback, forward, calm screen, hazards, max temp, and auto hold. Storage below and on the dash, and a nice powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Now looking here at our home screen here, got your audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, climate controls all at the bottom. And for your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your settings. Pretty useful, all straightforward. Features of the vehicle touches towing, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB64334, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.